About to go green.
So we're at Monza. I saw Dave Cam do this race. So we're having a go in the fixed Ferrari. Someone has already been smashed to pieces on the warm-up lap. He's got no rear wing. You can probably see it. He's going into the pits, but I think the pit lane is closed. So
Pace car is off.
I don't know what's going to happen with him. But anyway, we're here, and I think we've gone. Okay, all that talking, and I wasn't paying attention. They've gone.
Green, green, green.
Okay, so do I want to be on the inside? Possibly. Let's see, I've got a bit of a gap behind me, so I could be okay.
Left side. Clear. Car on your left.
Just get round this first corner. Which we've done. Okay, so I qualified near-ish the front. I think I was 7th. Looks like I've dropped a couple of spots there, but anyway, I'm still going, so I'm happy with that. It's a 15-minute race, so we haven't got long. And we'll see if we can make any progress. I was only half a second off pole, so I've got a bit of pace. So I should be able to keep up, I think. Maybe not with the top guys, but I can keep up with some of them. As long as I don't go off on the first lap on cold tyres. Just helping, they're side by side, so they're going slow. Oh, big incident ahead.
Go right.
And we got through it. Okay, well. Okay. Well, we've got some spaces, but this guy's going slow, so you know what that's about. Yeah, he's got damage. Can we get up behind these people? Otherwise, I'm going to be all on my own. 4th. Look at that. Oh my goodness, 4th. 2.4 behind though, so let's see what we can do. Tyres are still pretty cold, but I mean, they're going to be quicker than me because they out-qualified me, aren't they? So catching up's going to be difficult here unless they start battling, I think.
52.562. You're in 4th position.
So I can do low 49s. I don't know if I can get into the 48s. We'll see. Two seconds behind, so we closed up a little bit there. Let's see if we can get closer. So we're not really making any impression here, are we? We're going to be going a lot quicker than we were because we've had no one ash in front of us, but we're able to go flat out through there, so the tyres must be coming up now. 2.1 still. When we get closer. .9, so a little bit closer. We can close up a bit on the brakes, then maybe. 2 seconds, so 49s they're doing. We'll do the 49.6 by the looks of it. It's not too bad. Bit of a slide there. 2.1 again. Not getting there, are we yet? If they can close up and battle that, then maybe we'll be able to as well. That's what I need to hope for. Go as quick as I can and hope they battle. It's 2.5 now, look at that. He's obviously getting himself settled.
To go.
6. It's not looking good. The tyres do start to go, I found, after the sort of third lap. Particularly on that corner.
49.
Yeah, they're going quicker than us, aren't they? They're going 4 tenths quicker, look.
The car in P3, just at the fastest lap. 49.115.
That may be because he's benefiting from a slipstream. Our sort of comparative pace may not be too far off. I just need them to battle, really. They are closing up together, aren't they? To go through that. Probably overdriving it. Something Dave Cam said, wasn't it, about it's easy to overdrive this track, this car. Well, that's a yellow flag then, but it's the gravel flag. I couldn't go through there flat out, so that's cost me a lot of time. What happened there then? Did I just get offline? It's cost a lot of time. They're battling ahead, aren't they?
Just at the fastest lap, 48.428.
Made a mess of that corner. Okay, so the two leaders are battling, 1 and 2. Number 3 is just about within slipstream range, so he might be able to join them. So if all 3 of them battle, it wouldn't take long and I'd be there. Bit better through there, but it feels like the tyres are getting cut. Oh, he's had a slowdown, hasn't he? He's had a slowdown, look. Oh. Are we within slipstream range? We're within a second. Still within a second.
0.903.
0.9, yeah. We've got slipstream. No, we're there. Second is still, but we're in slipstream range, I think. Is it going to drag us up? Feels like it is. He's bouncing over curbs, isn't he? Although that did seem to help him.
5 minutes to go.
Is he going to get away again? Am I not close enough? Bugger. 3.1. I could do it just being a little bit closer. Just a little bit. He didn't get a slow down that time, did he? He's 1.1. An 8.7, okay. Closer this time. That's better.
49.693. The lead is consider 49.721.
Got a good exit there, better than me, I think. It's 2.7 though. He's quick through there, isn't he? Quicker than I am. .8 this time though, so we are a bit closer. So we have got that slipstream. He committed himself quite a lot in that corner. Still 0.8, so we are a bit closer. We're not quite close enough, are we? .6 this time. Not close enough to have a go though.
49.355. That was your fastest lap of the session.
So we've kept it a bit closer. We're not close enough for a lunge anywhere, really. We're no quicker than him, are we? I don't think. I took a bit of curb that time as well. I don't know if it's better or not. Catching the guys ahead? No, maybe not. Just an illusion. Felt like we were catching him, but I don't think we are. He's taking liberties with this corner, isn't he? And it's slowing him down. We're even closer, 0.5 now. That's the closest we've been.
White flag. One more lap.
White flag, and we're 0.3 behind. What do we reckon? We're going to do it. It's got to be this lap, hasn't it?
right.
I don't like sending it though. I was hoping he might outbrake himself if I showed my nose, but it hasn't worked. But closer this time.
Car right. Straight on the left. Still there, hold your line.
Well, we gave each other room, didn't we? I didn't want to hit him. I think I could have probably been a bit more aggressive there, but didn't want to hit him. So, is that it? Is that my only chance? I think it probably was. Got better run than him here as well, but is it... can I out-turn him in the corner? No.
Good race, Noah. Good race.
No, that's it. That's it. Well, it was a good race in the end, wasn't it? Enjoyed that. Took us a while to catch, but we got there in the end.
Good one. Thanks.
Let's have a look at that last overtake before we look at the incidents and just see how close I was.
Right, solid work.
So we'll just have a look from the chase cam then. So, you know, he's sort of taken the middle of the track, which I guess is his right. There's a fair bit of wobbling about, wasn't there? But anyway, I got up the inside. And I guess, yeah. Oh, I mean, he didn't give me much room, did he? I gave him plenty of room. But anyway, we didn't hit and we made it through. So, yeah, pleased about that. Anyway, let's have a look at the other incidents. Okay, so here's the start then. And let's see what happened. There was plenty of accidents early on, wasn't there? Okay, so somebody's gone straight on, which is probably sensible. Bit of a push onto the gravel. I say a bit of a push onto the gravel, and then it all just went horribly wrong, didn't it? That was me going through. And what have we got then? Fast chicane. Just oversteered. Oh, nasty. This is into the first chicane. Oh, that was netcode, wasn't it? He was nowhere near him. Outbraked himself. You could hear him trying to get down through the gears. Okay, what's happening here then? Oh, well, he was helped through the corner. What's this then? Oh, and somebody helped into an oversteer moment. Was that the two? Yeah, that was the two ahead of us, wasn't it? A nice move, just got to be so careful, you just can't come across people like that. And somebody else having a bit of a crash there. Oh, yeah, too much curb, mate. Far too much curb. Okay, well, interesting. Good race. Let's have a look at the results, see what that's done for us. So then that was third split out of 11. Got some safety rating, which was nice, better than the last race I did, and got a bit of high rating as well, so getting back up to that 2K is where I'd like to be. So fastest lap of the race, and looks like that was down here, 48.4, blimey. So I think this was the guy that had a problem at the start and went into the pits, and I think he was on pole, yeah. So he was definitely the quickest guy. We were in the 49, so 49.3 for me, 49.1, 49.1, 44.4. So, you know, I guess fair enough, we sort of finished in the right order, and this guy was even quicker than me. So yeah, good race. Enjoyed that. Good combination. Once you get through the first lap, you can do that safely, then it's good fun. But getting through the first lap is always a challenge. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then hit a like and subscribe. Tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.